FireXO fire extinguisher. It puts out almost every fire, which is various materials such as wood, paper, gasoline, electrical appliances, and cooking oil. And also lithium-ion batteries. It has an easy pull pin application, then press and spray towards fire. It includes a pressure gauge and a convenient mounting bracket. You could easily mount it by using zippy ties or using bolt-on application. Hardware is not included. If you find this video resonates with you, please like, comment, subscribe, or follow. Now let's have a closer look right out of the box. If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.